simply show this image, this image, this image just like that. It has to be available. It should exist first. Where it is existing now, it's not somewhere on the internet. It's on your hosting server. Correct? So now you understand when you type candradigital.com, your server is sending all of this to your browser. That's how this web page is appealing to you. Correct? If browser is not sending this images to your browser, all this would look empty. Have you observed it ever, like image space image and it looks empty?
Plain white color.
White color, or maybe image, it might show image name also, but you would not see the image over there. That's because in your code you have connected the image, but image doesn't exist on the server. Okay. So now your server is sending all of this to your browser. If it is sending so many objects, so for example, let's say you are getting something from a market to home, right? You purchase 50 kgs of rice, 10 kgs of tur dal, correct? So as you keep adding more and more, correct, the weight will be increasing. Same way here, more and more components on your web page will make it a heavier website, right? So we will discuss that in technical SEO. You may not understand much now. So what happens is, now while sending this content, it is something like this. Let's say a bus can accommodate only 50 people, correct? Now when there are 53 people, what happens? You have to not stand. So in India it's a different thing. Even if there are 100 people, all 100 will be pushed into one bus. But when you take Western countries, what happens? A new bus. Correct. They strictly follow the guidelines, everything. Correct. So new bus, now think of new bus just for 2 people, 3 people, same amount of fuel, driver, correct? It's double, right? So same way here, whenever there are more number of requests to your server, for specific set of requests, it forms one connection. Additional requests, even if there is 1 or 2 additional requests, it forms one more connection. For every connection, it takes some amount of time, right? Your website will become slower, right? So now these requests can be reduced, and some of them can be instructed to browser. Browser, please don't send all this to me. You hold a copy of it with you. You hold a copy of it with you, because this logo will never change. This logo will never change. Hold a copy of this logo with you. When somebody types Candra Digital, you send requests to these contents to server. I will supply from my server to your browser, but this is known, right? For the next 1 year, it will be like that only. So you serve this from your browser. Sometimes you must have seen people will say, I have made the changes, but still you will see the old content only. That's because your browser has cached in the sense it has a copy of that image stored in your browser. Your browser holds a copy of it, and now when you type candradigital.com, this request doesn't go to the server. This will be served from the browser directly, so that your website will load faster. Right?
Is it archive or something?
Not archive. It's simply called as cache only. Your browser is holding a copy. Now you can define or tell to browsers, any browsers, not only your browser, while writing your web page, HTML, you can add some commands or instructions to hold copy of various images on the browser. So whenever I'm revisiting the website, now these all will be served from the browser. Correct? Static content, static images, all of them will be served from the browser, so that your server is sending fewer requests now. Correct? It loads faster. So that cache implementation has been mentioned here. Where is that? Okay, here. Okay. Yeah. Standard WordPress acceleration. We use Lightspeed cache for WordPress. It uses server level cache with optimization features and can greatly improve website loading times. Advanced Lightspeed cache is object cache for WordPress. The Lightspeed object caching system stores database query results and retrieves the information from the cache instead of reloading it. So what happens is, on the websites, I'll tell you. Okay. So now whenever I type like this and click on enter, a new page will get created. Let's say, see, now this is getting created. Correct? So now basically your server is forming the page based on the query used here. Search queries based on the query used here. Now this thing, now page has been created. Now what happens if you are using object based cache? Now this one also will be cached. Now next time when somebody types mango pickle, it doesn't run that query and form the page. Already formed page will be quickly served. So for us it's just fraction of seconds, right? But still even this will be optimized further. So your website will become much faster. Okay. So don't worry about that. All that for your websites. So this and all for the next level of websites. Websites with lots of content, right? So what is there here? 25 visits, 25,000 visits monthly, 100 GB SSD storage, 4 lakh files and directories, free domain 749 value, free pre-built templates, free automatic website migration, unlimited free SSL, free email, weekly backups, WordPress vulnerability scanner. So you can take backup of your website even if let's say you are making some changes and the website goes wrong. You can retrieve it from your backup. You can revert it from your standard WordPress acceleration, unlimited bandwidth, generate unlimited traffic to your website. We do not limit the amount of visitors that your website receives. Fair usage policy applies. So these are not applicable. Free CDN. This plan has it. 249 per month. Free CDN WordPress staging tool.
What is CDN?
Content delivery network. Again, what happens is your servers are located very far from your physical location. For example, let's say your server is located in California. So whenever a request goes for canvadigital.com, the content will be served from the server sitting in California. Okay. So now this might take more time. So content CDN is content delivery network. So what we will do is CDN, when you sign up for CDN service, this CDN companies will take the copy of your content from server 1, right? And they will put up so many other servers across the country, across the globe. And now when you type canvadigital.com, your request is coming from Bangalore and nearby server, let's say Mumbai or Bangalore. The content will be served from the nearby server so that your website will load faster. And also this hosts some images, everything on that server. Some of the content loads from that server also. That is content delivery network. Content delivery network. The name itself is indicating it's delivering content from its network of servers. So based on your location, it quickly serves content from one of the nearby servers.
Is it WordPress staging tool?
So before you build a website, you can build everything in the different instance and you can automatically merge it with your main website. So staging is it is something like you will replicate a copy of your website, right? There will be a pre-stage for your website. You are not going to say, let's assume now you are building a new website. Anything that you do is not going to impact your business. But for website businesses which are operating since a while and has the real lots of traffic, lots of visitors are coming to your website, and any small changes, any small bugs might impact your business severely. It could be your payments or it could be the leads. So what developers do is they set up a pre-stage where it's all tested, evaluated, checked, right? And on approval, on understanding everything is fine, they will merge it with your main website, right? So they are providing that service for free. Staging is so, and in this there is no such option. You have to be building on the main website itself. Okay. Most of this, I guess, you understand. SSL is you must have seen websites HTTPS and HTTP. So here,
Secure something.
secured, yes. Hypertext transfer protocol over the secured connection in with yes indicates it's a secured connection. So earlier websites back to a decade, it all used to be on HTTP. Only the payment page used to be HTTPS. In course of time, it's suggested as a standard or made universal that your complete website has to be
Secure.
secured. Otherwise, Google Chrome shows not secure.
So HTTPS it is secure.
It is secured. So the problem is you can have HTTP non-secured website also. Non-secured website basically indicates there are chances of vulnerability or chances of scams happening, data extraction on your website. You may not be extracting some third party. Let's say you have abc.com. Some scammers, hackers will incorporate some code on your websites, right? And that code will start taking the details of your customers. It could be the payment information or anything, right? So now you can go with the HTTP. I see a lot of websites still A2M Tech. Not sure.
Yes,
It's just only, but recently I saw that HTTP also. What is the name? They have
Same technology.
sorry. Okay. Maybe recently I have seen their HTTP only. Okay. So shall we go ahead and buy it now? So WordPress hosting and regular hosting. Everything you need to create a website. What does this contain? Let's see. See here, this person is not telling anything. What kind of configuration a server has? CPU, RAM. Okay, we'll go and purchase this. Aita, we'll go with this one. Not 48 months, I'll just go with 12 months.
So there are packages, no? Like of course we can switch from this package to that package at the time of renewal. Is that possible?
Yes, yes, you can. You got further discounts. Okay, 2,365. You get the domain also in this now. Create an account with Gmail. Show your Gmail.
Rishi RISTEST control CONDROL 2015
RISHIPEST control 2015 @gmail.com. Okay, next. Password.
welcome @2015
L smaller. Welcome.
@2024 WEL COME @2024 2024 ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ
ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ
Try capital. Maybe the
maybe W capital
welcome
At the rate
2024.
You show password, no sir?
And I'm recording the screen, right? So I am hiding it. Okay, so see, it's capital.
So same mail address, so we cannot register.
Jao same one.
Already I have one domain which is already that existing mail address. So that cannot be reused.
You can.
No, it's not. If you entered, it's already purchased in something.
Okay. No, we'll see. Okay, so now, okay, so it is showing 2365 taxes calculated after billing information. So, maybe probably it might charge additional 18% tax in case if you have GSTN. You have GSTN?
yeah.
Then we'll update the GSTN as well. Rishi Pest Control, last name. I'll put India for now, something like that. Phone number, we'll add your phone number. 97310 37107. Okay. Address ನಾಟ್ ಫುಲ್ HSR ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ HSR ಸಿಟಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಕಂಪನಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ HSR ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸೇರಿ ಈ ಕಂಪನಿ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ನೂ ಬೀಳಲ್ಲ ರಿಷಿ ಪೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಹೆಸರು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ GST ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ GST ಹೇಳಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿ
ರಿಷಿ ಪೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್
ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ GST ಏನು you're all following it right ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ GST ನಿಮಗೆ
Such a big number actually.
ನಮ್ದು 3 ಕಂಪನಿದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಎರಡಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ
ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ
ಆ ಎರ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಸರ್
ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಆ ಎರಾನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ
ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಒಂಥರ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ
ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ even now I tell 100 phone numbers just name ಹೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು I'll tell my phone whatever is there on it
Actually, you should dial. Even I do dialing only. Then you will remember.
ಸೊ ಐಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಂತ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಐಫೋನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ವ ನಂಬರ್
iPhone also will show.
ಇಟ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ
Oh, if it is stored number, it will not show. If it is unknown number, it will.
Rishi Pest Control, right? I will get your GST with Betty. No. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ತಪ್ಪದು ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅದು ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು ಸೊ ಈಗ ರಿಷಿ ಪೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ GST 29 ಇದೇನಾ ನಿಮ್ಮದು 29 CFT ರಿಷಿ ಪೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ರಿಷಿ ಪೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಹುಸ್ಕೂರ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆನೇಕಲ್ ತಾಲೂಕು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇದೇನಾ 2017 ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡಾ ಪೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಪೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇದೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಲಾ
ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ
ಆಫೀಸ್
ಹುಸ್ಕೂರ ಇದು ಇದೆ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಯಿತು ಹಾಗಾಗಿ
ಹಾಂ 29 CFT
So if we add GST, I mean,
they won't charge you the GST, they will waive off. They have to either give the input to you, see they have to collect and give the input to you, input to you, this is the process, or otherwise they will avoid giving the input and they will don't collect at all.
I didn't get.
See, for every transaction,
Suppose if it doesn't register for GST.
if we don't have GST, he will end up paying additional 18%.
18%.
I won't get to waive off of that GST part amount if I didn't enter that GST.
Yes. 29
But
CFT
later on,
PM.
can you update with that then once you get?
No. You are making the transaction now, right?
Once done is
Oh,
done.
okay, I got it now. This is for this bill you are doing it.
Yes.
So that he can reimburse any tax.
5,991.
Understood.
ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್
ಅಂತೆ ಇದೇನಾ ನೋಡು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ನೋಡಿ ಇದೇನಾ
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಇದಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದೇನೋ ಬಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಯ್ತು ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನೋ
29 GW ಓಕೆ 29 GW CPP
So you keep that.
ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಓಕೆ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಷಿ ಪೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಂತ
Okay. I'll click on continue. Taxes is 0 now. So you will just pay
The
2000.
same amount only before.
They were showing a message taxes will be calculated in the next stage.
Okay.
So now they have calculated the taxes, and since we mentioned our GST, so it is showing 0. Otherwise 2300 into 18% would have been at least 400 rupees.
Extra. 2,700
It would have come to 2700 least. Okay. So UPI, not UPI, paper, card. Okay. UPI ID, ila scan. I am checking this. Scan option ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. UPI ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಇದೇನಾ?
You should check that number whether it's on.
ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆನಾ? +91 ಇದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬೇಡ ಸರ್. ಆಫೀಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. 7044.
ಓಕೆ. UPI ID.
ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಯೋಕೇರ್ ಅಂತ.
ಬಯೋಕೇರ್ 1986-2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಸ್. ಬಯೋಕೇರ್ 1986-2 rate. Okay. Biocare 1986. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. 5318 ಇಲ್ಲ 2365.20 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 5000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆನಾ? ಹೋಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸ್ತು? 5000. ಇದು ಬಗ್ಗಿರ್ತಾ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? 5388 ನಂಬರ್ 53 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ? ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೇಮ್ ಆನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ನೇಮ್ ಆನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ನೋಡೋಣ.
somewhere lost it, thought and immediately to get name I need to wait another 50 days.
That works?
It will work.
Name is customized.
Only 2365 will be charged.
2365 OTP ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ.
8561
A561
85.
61 36. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2365 ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So who is this website for? Myself or my business. So mostly domain purchase ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ, create a website.
So this was the standard procedure what we are doing.
Yes. Rishi Pest Control 2015 @gmail.com website. This website now we are creating the website as well. We are creating the website now. We straight away.
It's like a real-time project.
ಹೌದು. We are creating the website. So I want all of you to pay attention to this. Okay. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೇನೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪುಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ. Rishi Pest Control 2015 @gmail.com WordPress admin email. ನೀವು ವರ್ಡ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನ್ ಇಮೇಲ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಿಗೆ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಐ ಡಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಯೂಸರ್ ನೇಮ್ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಮೇಲ್ ಐ ಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೂಸರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಬೋತ್ ನೋಟ್ ದೆಮ್. ಆ ಫೋಟೋನೇ ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು. ಆ ಫೋಟೋ ಕೆಲವು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಫೋಟೋ ನೋಡ್ಕಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಏನೋ ಅಂತ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀರ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ.
ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೂ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Once a login ಆಯ್ತು.
Okay, so next, so business and services. Next, so we will build from scratch, right? So for now, I'll just pick the Astra. Recommended plugins, email, I'll uncheck this. All-in-one SEO, I'll uncheck this. Let this to be. Now domain name. Really, what do you want to purchase? You will get for free. Rishi Pest Control. Rishi Pest Control.in, free for 1 year. RishiPestControl.com is not available. .in ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು. ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಷಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು RishiPestControl.com ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. RishiPestControl.in ಹೋಗೋದಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ .com ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ. RishiPest
Pest Control BLR.
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು BLR ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. There is no problem for your business.in, even global and ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. Okay, so your website will be ready in next few minutes. Okay, RishiPestControl.in next. Okay, register your domain Rishi Pest Control India, company or organization. Next step, enter contact details. Okay, Karnataka, address, ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಕಂಪನಿ GST ಕೊಟ್ಟರಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಅರ್ಲೂರ ಏನದು, ಉಸ್ಕೂರು, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಉಸ್ಕೂರು ಅಂತ ಹಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ. ಪಿನ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಇದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸು. ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರು ಇನ್ನು ಏನಾದರೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಂಬರ್ 3
ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ
ಉಸ್ಕೂರ್ ರೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ ಉಸ್ಕೂರ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು 560 ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆನಾ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ complete registration finishing your domain registration so domain already ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ just select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ವಿ so since domain is we are registering it for the first time it's asking for registration process ಈ registration process is the additional step here since we are registering it for the first time where is your target audience located India okay next it's installing the WordPress
Now we can add like we have taken that 100%. Suppose if I take now, and if you also later we can remove from that the posting also.
yes. Other website right you can remove
We can remove.
can
Or for
remove
just for
delete
dummy
and
practice purpose if we take.
we can do
Just ask sir if it is
no
okay.
what you want to buy a domain here
Just domain
For
or
practice.
something for practice.
you can do it there won't be any issues for you
And immediately after this 2-3 months you can remove it. Please let me have an
if you want to buy I'll create a domain for you on my account you can buy it
We
there
can't-
okay so your
Everybody
WordPress
can have a
website
different, no? They
yes
can work on their own.
Rishi Pest Control is ready already we'll see what it shows Rishi Pest Control .in
Not secure.
it will be secured we'll see maybe there are a few more steps connecting it should show sometimes it takes propagation time will be there newly domain we have just purchased right and this will see connect a domain okay so we have to visit HPanel and connect a real domain if you already did this please wait up to 24 hours until this domain fully connects you see that so we have initiated since the domain is bought here already it automatically connects but it's suggesting us to wait for 24 hours okay so maybe by the meantime we can start building it okay so automatically it will start working in some time maybe any time maybe it might take 10 minutes half an hour 1 hour 2 hours 3 hours or maximum 24 hours okay so now how do we build this so your website is looking like this do you all see that your website is looking like this so now what we will do is we'll go to plugins right so to scan a document on your phone you will install the document scanner app right same way here we are going to install a plugin that will help you to build a website in few simple steps right so plugins can be downloaded from the internet and you can upload it here you can click on upload and you can upload it from your computer right alternatively you can search it from the repository right so starter templates is the plugin name which helps you to build the websites starter templates so click on install now so this is the one click on install now and now second step is activation click on activate as well right you're all done so your starter templates is here click on get started from here or maybe from starts at not here it shows up under appearance also you will have starter templates you can click here and you can go to the starter templates or you can come here and click on get started right so templates you will have list of templates from which you can pick better go with, it might not have the pest related, so build with AI. So what is your
Template
brand
we need to
colors?
do manually.
Huh?
In that template we need to do manually.
It's already done, you just select.
Then what is the difference AI and templates?
So templates will be very few, let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 or 100. And these 50 templates may not have anything related to your pest. AI takes inputs and develops a template explicitly for you.
Okay.
Got the clarity?
Yeah.
It is taking input from you and developing explicitly for you, right? So get started. Let's get started. It's free. Building a website has never been this easy. Here is how AI website builder works. Create a free account on ZipWP platform. We are going to create that using this email ID which we have used. Describe your dream website in your words. Watch as AI crafts your website instantaneously. Refine the website with an easy drag and drop builder. Launch it. Yeah. Let's get started. It's free. So up to 3 websites you can build it for free. Later you have to purchase a plan which is very expensive. So as a business owner, you will be building 2-3 websites, right? Sign up with Google in one click.
Then you can create another email account and then you do it.
We are doing it. Okay. Rishi Pest Control. I'm selecting this. Continue. See, there's so many plans. 79 one time. Get started. 5 AI site generation, 5 AI and 10 AI sites. 399 per year. Okay. So try free plan. So if you are going with any of these options, they will give you many websites, premium websites. You can use them as well, but that's not needed. Just click on try free plan. Right? Click on continue. Name of the website Rishi Pest Control.in. This website, name of the website, maybe I think we can simply put Rishi Pest Control only. Okay, anyways, this website is for I'll just pick local business, English default, next. Here we are going to describe. Okay, so first you tell me what's your business about. You are going to do pest control, where corporates or residentials anywhere. Okay, so I will write like this: Rishi Pest Control and Management is a renowned pest management, pest control agency. Okay,
If
in
spelling it wrong, is that okay or?
And afterwards we can edit no, with the proper content.
you will be surprised. Just wait. You can edit. You can do anything that you want.
AI only, it's just like
You can.
ChatGPT.
You can do whatever you want. Rishi Pest Control and Management is a renowned pest control agency in Bangalore. I'll just put Bangalore. Okay. Bangalore. Okay. In Bangalore, operating since 2017. Since 2017. 2008. 2008, and it's well known for its services and uh,
Actually, this is called content creator.
this is called as
What digital marketing and content writer.
Hmm.
So this was the part.
see, content writing is basically you should have you're communicating it through writing, right? Anything that you're communicating through writing is a content writing, right? So now if you are not good with your grammar, you're going to hire somebody who is good with grammar, right? That's all, right? Anybody can be a content writer, correct? Rishi Pest Control and Management is a renowned pest control agency in Bangalore, operating since 2018, and it's well known for its services such as ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದೋಸ್ ನೀವು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್
You have
Okay,
that.
anti-termite treatment.
ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಂಟಿ ಟರ್ಮೈಟ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್
Trauma.
ಹಾಂ
Bed bugs treatment.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಾನು
Anti-termite.
ಆಂಟಿ ಟರ್ಮೈಟ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್
Bed bugs.
ಬೆಡ್ ಬಗ್ಸ್ treatment,
cockroach, flies,
ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್
control service,
ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್, ಫ್ಲೈಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್,
flies control,
and
rodent control,
ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆನಾ? ರೋಡೆಂಟ್
rodent control,
Mosquito.
and fumigation,
and
and general fumigation,
ಜನರಲ್
fumigation, FUMIG,
You have deep cleaning also. You want started.
started
fumigation. Okay,
general
fumigation. Okay, Rishi Pest Control and Management is a renowned pest control agency in Bangalore, operating since 2018, and it's well known for its services such as okay and fumigation. Okay, so if you are looking for pest control at your residence, for your home, pest control at your home or office, Rishi Pest Control is the go-to place. Okay, so go-to place. They offer services at reasonable prices, right, and timely delivery or timely address,
timely present.
timely addressed. Okay, ಇನ್ನೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ರೇನೋ it will take all the details. Okay, and timely addressed. Okay, ಸಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟು. Okay, so you can click on improve using AI. Okay, AI is going to rewrite it all for you. ಇನ್ನೂ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿದ್ರ it has the rewritten AI. I clicked on improve using AI. AI has rewritten this. Click on next. Are you all following it, everybody?
Yes, yes.
Your email, Rishi Pest Control. Rishi Pest Control. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಮೇಲು ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫ್ರೀ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. info@rishipestcontrol.in ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ,
ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮದು.
ಹಾಂ,
ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಫೋನೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇನ್ಫೋನೇ ಬೆಸ್ಟು. info@Rishi Pest Control, RISHI Rishi Pest Control.in. Your phone number
97310
ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ 97310 37107. Address number 3 Shivram Reddy Building, Pur Road, Bangalore. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಲಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೂ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲೇಟರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದೆಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದಮ್ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್. Okay, click on next. So now it is showing you all the images related to pests. Okay, so you are controlling this. I'll pick this. You are controlling this. You are controlling this. So you pick as many images as you want. Oh shit. Okay.
See the back.
Yeah. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ. ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ಮನೆಯದೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
The down is there only.
1 second.
go for termite treatment.
ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಕೆಲವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಭಯಂಕರ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಗೆಳಿದಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ. Okay, termite treatment ಅಂತಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
You're giving so many images, they will choose what is best or how?
No, they use what is best and they try to use
Because
across
you
the
have
website.
selected so many, you know, I don't know.
ಸಾಕು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅದೇ ಟರ್ಮೈಟ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ.
And if we already have a photo for that,
You can upload. You have an option to upload your images.
And we can upload our live images.
Yes. Anything that you want. You can change any images. You can upload any number of images.
Then
You can
once it
change
is
them.
created, we can again change on
You
the
can do
same.
whatever you want.
But then that free will not be. So the website is counted as one. Images you can do multiple times.
So it's creating the website templates for you now. You can pick the one that is appealing for you.
That's it. Website is one time.
And you have on top of it some changes, small minor changes, tweaks, upload of images, change of images. And if you want more pages to see, this is namesake website now. So if you are doing SEO, you might have to create more pages. Anti-termite treatment page, bedbug treatment page, right? See, now this is premium. This is free. Look at this website. If you want to see it separately, maybe I'll open it. You can check it out. This is how your website will look.
Photos are not matching, sir.
Hello. Yeah, hello sir. Hello. How are you doing? I'm good, sir. Please tell me, sir. Yeah. Sir, shall I call you back right now? I'm in the class. Shall I call you back in some time, if you don't mind? Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. I'll call you back. Bye. Okay. So this is not the only website. See, colors. It has suggested some colors. So you can change these colors. You can pick the colors of your choice too. Okay. I'll show it to you. You will have option to change the colors. So now just first figure out which website theme is good. If you think this is looking good for you, you can go with this. If you think this is looking good for you, you can go with this. Yeah, premium. This is free. Okay. Okay, and colors. Did you decide what colors are you going with? In your brochures or any hard copies, have you printed any colors? Branding is done. Letterhead or anything related to your company, we can go with those colors. So this is another website, right? So if you could suggest which one you want to go with. Okay.
And then we need to edit automatically.
No, if at all, if you want to change this, you can do that. So business owner, you have to tell us which one you want to go with. Okay. So I think first one, this one is. This is first one. Compared to this, I think this is better. And compared to this, maybe the sixth option would be good. I'll show you the sixth option as well. And there are a lot many you can. But anyways, regardless of all this, you can build it. It's just for it's all same, one and the same. Reliable pest control solutions in Bangalore. See here you have points too.
This is also better.
See, actually, scroll up. Actually, bedbug treatment also, no? Actually, that is not bedbug.
I know, this is ladybird something.
Ladybug and termite, that is not
You can change the
Of course,
images.
we can change it. No? Okay, but the content will be the same. Only I can change
Content
the
also you
image.
can change. You can change everything. Okay, or you can completely rebuild your website from scratch. Okay, so for now we'll apply one of them. I'll show you the other few. Maybe this also looks good, I guess. Option 10. You can change your colors. So usually, which color do you use to convey your business?
Green what you have in the card, no?
Your
Still
card, business
actually-
card. Show me your business card.
You should actually go with that.
Pass it, na, please. Okay, you can go with this colors now. So this gold mehndi color is being used, or something that looks. So this is good, right? They're showing photos of spraying and all. You can add any photos, galleries. ಇದು
Previous
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
one was good, sir. Six.
Previous one.
Six.
This
It
one.
was showing a detail on
This
what
one.
is
This
there.
one. This one.
At least it will show the detail, no?
No, it's anyways business owner choice. Let him say.
No, of course it is his choice.
ಯಾವ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಟಕ್ಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು.
We'll go for this one.
ಇದೊಂದು ಆ, ಇದೊಂದು ಸಿ ಈ ಪೇಜ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬೇಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜಸ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೆಲವು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಶೋನ್ ಯು ಲೇಟರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೀಡು ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥೀಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ this component also you can bring in, this component also you can bring in for your page. You just have to go get started with one of them, that's all.
But
And
since
if you
it's
think this is-
static, no? How about timing it then?
I'll discuss. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇದಾ ಇದಾ this one this one okay so this is option okay wait ಇದು ಇದಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 6 ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 ಅದು this is option 1 this is option 4 or 5
So showing the card,
this one
color card.
this one okay I'll apply option 6 okay so I'll just select this so colors your card colors got applied
Where to go for card colors?
where to go for
Colors.
no it gave by default you selected the theme and after selection the first step is selection of the color and fonts. Shall I select this color? Or you want to go with green, this color? Or this color?
Green or that.
This is green and this is your card color almost similar to your card color. Which one should we go with?
We'll go for green.
Green. And you have another option.
Green.
Okay, green. Okay, fine. Continue. Okay, so by default you need only these 3 options. Rest of them not needed. Free live chat. Okay, I'll add it. Video player. Start building.
Contact form also you should use. Sir.
Huh?
Contact form also you need. Somebody
It will have. It's already there. We have selected it. So let's see if this has. Rishi Press Control is working now. Your website also will be ready now. The moment we publish this, rishipresscontrol.in is working now. It's showing the default Astra theme that which we had selected. Now, once this is done, 100% your website will be done.
The pictures again will be different.
Everything in the next class, we will change everything on this website. We'll build it further.
So not on first, second.
Whichever. Next
So
class. I
normally-
said next.
Long
Yeah. Next class, whenever we start.
Yeah.
We are working on first
I have opened my
WordPress website. Okay.
I got that.
But you have the website right already. What will you do? So maybe from SEO you will have to get started. So from SEO you can work on your website. Once you start SEO classes from next month,
Okay.
So then, because website is already built, right?
Yeah, so
So
I
if you
want to make some changes.
Yeah, we'll do that. So next class we'll discuss how to make the changes, and we will log into your website and understand how it is built, which theme it is built, which editor are they using to build it, and then you will get to know how to make the changes. You can make the changes, or maybe when we start SEO, automatically you'll be making a lot of changes.
So
Okay.
after this website, we are going to SEO.
After this website, we will figure out how to make changes. We will learn how to make changes, how to add content, how to add images, right? We will do some of these things, and then we'll get started with SEO. Yeah, or maybe we'll start with local business listing, Google business. Your website is ready, Mr. Prashant. See your website. Okay, it's still in the domain preview. I will reload this. Yes, rishipestcontrol.in. Effective solution for all pests. You can change this text, number, 5-star service, 5+ years of experience, your reliable partner in pest management solutions. You can change all this content also. I will teach you how to get content for your website also in the next class. Now this content is not enough. I'll show you using ChatGPT how can you get the best content. See, it's not about ChatGPT, it's about what you usually communicate to your customers, right? So as a business owner or as a salesperson, you will be providing, what to be spoken to the customer when you have to sell your service, correct? So exactly, will communicate all of those things on your website, right? If you're not good with your writing skills, grammar skills and all, we'll use some platforms or tools to do it.
31st you are coming back, sir?
No, maybe 31st, mostly I will. From 1st we'll have office. Okay, but based on everybody's availability, we will. Okay, your website is ready. So about page.
Just
Yes.
this, it's on a control panel. How to change this kind of theme
You have got section called appearance.
appearance?
Click on appearance, and under appearance you will have themes. Click
Yeah.
on themes,
Appearance,
and
themes.
yeah. So those themes will not help you to change your website. Okay, don't use any of them as of now. We'll do it all in the next class. You won't, because you have to either you need a builder to build your website, okay, or you need a theme already pre-built template. You should be using one of them, right? I have no clue how it is built now. Until unless I look into it, I won't be able to understand. To suggest you how we can change to a new themes. Okay, you might have multiple.
There's photos in our I have only the theme. What I can see, I want to change that theme.
We'll change it, sir. We'll change it.
Okay, we'll change it in next
Next
class.
class. Yeah. So I am running short of time now. I'm
Okay.
getting to a meeting.